Now question based on the playing cards. So in deck of card, total cards are 52. First of all, these 52 cards we are dividing on the behalf of color. Red color and black color. So 26 cards are of red color, 26 cards are of black color in deck of 52 cards. Now for the red cards we are dividing into suits. So see here, red card and black card. So 13 we have divided 26 card, 13 of hearts and 13 of diamond. These are red cards. And spade, 13 cards of spade and 13 cards of club. This is spade and this is club card. Now further these 13 cards we are dividing each suits. We are dividing further like this. I am showing you. First card is S. So A, C, E. The notation is A. This S of heart. This S of will heart of red color. Red color heart S. And the numbered card 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbered card. Numbered card from 2 to means direct numbering is there. Numbered card. Numbered cards. And now after this, Jack, notation is J. Queen, notation is notation on the cards. And the 13th one card is King. King. Whenever you see the cards, you will see this on these three cards. Faces is there. Face of Jack is there on the Jack card. Face of Queen is there on the Queen card, and face of King is there on the King card. That's why these three cards we are calling face card. These are three are face cards. Jack, Queen and King are the face card. Now you see this complete segment in diamond also, but red color or diamond of red color as 1, 2, 3 number Jack, Queen, King. In spade also, in club also. So all these cards I am telling you first on the behalf of color red and black, and then behalf of their suit heart, diamond, spade, clubs, and then the behalf of the face cards and numbered card, and another and last honor card. See here, honor cards. In honor cards means suppose these 1, 2, 3, this face card together with S means A plus J plus Queen plus King. These 4 honor cards is there in one suit. In total suits, total honor cards are 16. Numbered card, honor card, face card, red card, black card, hearts card, diamonds cards, spades cards, club cards. You can understand by this flow chart. Honor card means face card with the S. So the total honor cards are 16. 4 in each suit. 4 honor card in each suit. So total suits are 4. 4 multiplied by 4, 16. And the total number card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number card in each suit. So the total number cards in 4 suits 36. So numbered cards are 36 and total you do 52 is coming. Means numbered card and honor card. So on this many questions are coming, but easily you can solve with the help of this flow chart. You keep in your mind this flow chart and see the playing cards once in positive manner. Don't play, but you see. Now question on the cards. In this, suppose we are selecting one card from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Means cards are shuffled, we don't know which card at which place. We are selecting randomly one card. So what will be the probability of that card will be of a king, a red king, a spade, a jack of heart, a face card. Means more than 100 types of question you can make easily on the cards. Honor card, numbered card, red honor card, red card. So total outcomes, all of you know. Total outcomes is total outcome is 52. Now a king. How many kings are there in the deck of card? 4 kings are there. So this event I'm writing 4 kings are there. So the probability of is 4 upon 52. We can cancel 1 upon 30. Now suppose here is the king. So the probability is this. For red king, heart is red and diamond is red according to the cards. So the probability of this 2 upon 52 is 1 upon 26. And as spade, how many spade cards are there? Spade cards are there 13 upon 52. 13 spade, 13 club, 13 diamond, 13 hearts. So 1 upon 4. Now jack. First thing, how many jack are there? 4 jack of each suit. Jack of heart, jack of diamond, jack of spade, jack of, you reply jack of last one club. So but jack of heart is 1 only, 1 upon 52. The probability is 1 upon 52. Easily you can calculate if that flow chart is in your mind. So like this will calculate the probability of cards. And suppose simultaneously we are selecting 2 cards and we are calculating the probability. So after selecting one card and note down the probability, and then again you mix with the previous cards, and then again you select one more card. Now see one question. In one box 12 balls are there. Out of these 12 balls, X are black. What is the probability of these black balls? First, total balls is equal to 12. Black balls are X. The probability of black ball is X upon 12. This is the first case. In one box 12 balls are there, out of which X balls are black. We don't know X how many, but X balls are black. So what is the probability of black ball? X upon 12 total, favorable upon total. Now the second condition in this question. If you will add 6 more balls in the box, 12 was there, now the balls are 18. Now what is the probability of black ball? Black are X still. still black balls are X. Now the probability of black ball, if 6 more, which color ball we added in this? If 6 more black balls we put in this. So before it was cut up to here, start from. Now the second condition, if you will put 6 more balls in this, if you will put 6 more balls in this, black balls, so before black balls are X, now black balls is 16, not 6 plus X, black balls are 6 plus X. Now the total balls are in this, before it was 12, out of 12 X are black, but now 6 more we added, then total balls are 18. Now the probability of black ball is X plus 6 upon 18. Total balls are 18. Before we have written 12 here. Now according to the question is saying that now the probability of black balls will be the double of the probability of previous one. Now the probability of black ball is double the probability of previous one, black ball probability. So here X plus 6 upon 18 is equal to 2 into X upon 12. This we can cancel 6. Now 6 will go and multiply here, and this 18 will go there. So 6x plus 36, cross multiply and multiply with the bracket, is equal to 18x. Now I am transferring this, 36 is equal to 12x, x is equal to 3. So the value of x will come 3. Now from out of 12 balls, 3 are black, and here out of 18, 9 balls are black. So you note down and solve different kind of problems.